Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp egg foo young. First, gather your fresh shrimp, about 1/2 pound, along with 4 large eggs and your favorite vegetables, such as bean sprouts and green onions. Next, prepare your savory sauce by combining chicken broth, soy sauce, and a small amount of cornstarch. Make sure all your ingredients are prepped and measured before you start cooking for a smooth process. Now, let's create those delicious patties. Whisk your 4 large eggs thoroughly with the chopped shrimp and about 1 cup of your mixed vegetables. Heat approximately 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Carefully pour about 1/4 cup of the egg mixture for each patty, cooking them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and set. While your patties are cooking, let's whip up that irresistible sauce. In a small pot, combine 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Then, gradually whisk in a cornstarch slurry, made from 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water, stirring continuously until the sauce thickens to your preferred consistency. Finally, it's time to serve your homemade shrimp egg foo young. Arrange 2 to 3 of your perfectly cooked patties on a plate. Generously spoon the warm, savory sauce over them. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. It's a truly satisfying meal. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.